Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to apply game cheats for your PS4 games in PS4 or PS5 console. This is savewizard.net. You can check the games, what and all the cheats available. So right now I'm going to apply for WWE 2K20. 2K20. Yeah, 2K20 is there. Maximum money I can fill it. Super cool. Maximum tokens and maximum attribute and skill points. Fine. Now going to PS5 console because we need to save the game first. This is PS5 console, but I'm going to use WWE 2K20 for PS4 disc edition or even digital. Either it can be. And first we need to copy the game saves. So keep it ready with your pen drive. Insert the USB drive on your PS5 console or PS4 console and then go to settings. Under settings, right, come to saved data and game app settings. And here we need to choose the save data PS4 and choose the console storage. Super cool. So pressing R1 to move copy to USB drive, and here is my WWE 2K20. Tapping it and selecting. I just want to copy it. Copy. It's actually copying to USB drive. Super cool. It's successfully copied. Totally 966 MB on this USB drive. So going back to verify. So go to save data and go to verify it on USB drive. Yes, still the save is there. Super cool. Okay. Now we can eject the USB drive from PS4 or PS5 console. So I'm going to eject it. Then insert the USB drive on your PC and you can see this folder. The file format should be exFAT. Okay. So closing it. So this is the save file, right? This is my user ID. And this is the game. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do is open the browser, go to savewizard.online. If you have license key, just activate it. And we need to go to this main menu. And here go to my saves. So we need to go to resign tab. This is the existing one, so I'm going to delete it. Clear my saves. Okay. Clear my backups. So I don't want any backup. Okay, fine. Now I need to upload. Okay, I need to upload. Click on this upload on resign tab. And mine is in pen drive, right? So choosing directly from USB drive. Click on next. Choose the folder. So on your USB drive, just select the folder. Upload. This will upload all files. Okay, upload. Super cool. Upload. Copied game save files is uploading. I mean, it is going to finish. It's uploaded successfully. So this is my PSN. So this is my profile name. So I need to update it and click on save. Now on resign, right, we need to tap on this main. And this is an important information. So giving OK. And we have to choose a profile. So only one profile is created. And I'm going to give apply. Uploading save. Waiting for response from server. Super cool. So successfully applied. Now we need to go to cheats tab. Super cool. This is the one. So click on this quick menu. Quick mode. So here we can apply the skills. So we need to check this box, maximum attribute and skill points, and maximum relax tokens and max tokens, max money. Max money is very important. And click on apply. Write cheat code to save data. Do you wish to proceed? Yes. Give OK. We need to wait for some time because it is applying the settings. Cheat successfully applied. Super cool. OK. And this is the cheat code enabled, right? So I'm going to download it. So this is the one. So I'm going to download it. It's downloading. Open file. Zip file is extracted in my desktop. So opening it. So this one we need to copy. And before that, write on your pen drive, it should be exFAT format. So if you have any folders, right, you can just delete it. So formatting is successfully done. Going to copy this file into USB drive. Now we need to eject and again insert into PS4 or PSP console. Eject. USB drive is inserted. Now we need to copy from USB drive to console storage. So we need to go to settings. Go to settings and here save data and game app settings. And here come to save data PS4 and we need to choose this USB drive. Super cool. The same 966 MB saved file is there. So I'm going to copy this to from USB storage to console storage. So copying it, selecting, and then we need to copy. Super cool, it's successfully copied. So 2K20 is there and I'm going to play the game. Now I'm going to verify on store. Even I don't start the game, purchasables. Super cool, you can see these 99, 999 and 999. So now, right, I have the virtual currency, maximum virtual currency I have. So mostly we can unlock everything, I guess. See, Sting is already there and Stone Cold. So even, right, and Arena we can unlock it, and championships we can unlock it. Okay, now I'm going to unlock all these guys. Andrew the Giant, Batista, Red Phoenix, Big Boss, Bobby Heenan, Booker T, Hitman. I have unlocked everything. See? Arena Superstars. So that's it, friends. Is the way you can use Save Wizard not only for WWE 2K20, even you can use it for WWE 2K19, Assassin's Creed, or Marvel Spider-Man, Miles Morales. What and all list is available on the Save Wizard website, right? So that you can easily apply these cheat codes. So that's it, friends. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.